that log of x square minus 5x plus 6 2x is less than 1. Okay, so the main thing is that main condition is that this must be greater than 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 is greater than 0. So if you do the factors, it's going to be x minus 3, x minus 2. Am I right? Yes, greater than 0. Okay, so what does it mean? It means if you draw it, critical points 2, 3. Okay, so this is going to be the upward parabola. Why? Because this is positive. So we have to take greater than 0. So it's going to be like this. Okay, so positive means these values. So x from here, x belongs to, you need positive values, right? So x belongs to minus infinity to 2 union 3 to infinity, right? So this is going to be the main condition. Okay, you can also use the concept of intervals for solving the inequalities. Okay, I assume that you know how to solve the inequality, quadratic inequality. Okay, then now come, because we don't know base, we have variable in the base, so it means that it can be, base can be greater than case 1, it is base greater than 1, and case 2, your base is between 0 and 1. Okay, so now see here, from here 2x is greater than 1 means x is greater than 1 by 2. Okay, and because this is greater than 1, so this is increasing function, means the sign will not change. X square minus 5x plus 6 less than 1. Right? So what would happen? It will come to this side. Sorry, not 1. 2x raised to power 1. So this is 2x. When it comes to this side, x square minus 7x plus 6 less than 0. Right, so minus from here, x square, x minus 6 and x minus 1 less than 0. Am I right? Minus 6 minus x minus 6, yes. Right, so this is a quadratic equation. Again, the critical points, this is 1, this is 6. Now see here, it's going to be the upward parabola, and less than 0 means that, see here, it is going to be the upward parabola, and 1 and 6 are the roots. So we are interested in negative, so it means between this. In this region, the value of y is negative. Okay, and come to the case number 2. Here we have our base 0, 2x 1 by 2, right? So if here, can I say 0 x 1, x should be between 0 and 1, right? So here decreasing function, so the inequality sign will get reversed. So here I can write x square minus 7x plus 6 greater than 0. So greater than 0 means x minus 1, sorry, x minus 6, x minus 1 greater than 0. So it means what areas it will represent. This is 1, 6. Greater than 0 means it is going to represent these areas, 6 to infinity, and this one Okay, now see here, we forgot to put this condition here. Now x is also greater than 1 by 2 because that's what it says. So we have to implement this one here. X is greater than 1 by 2. So see here, this is x is greater, this is 1. So this is here, you have 1 by 2, 1 by 2. X is greater than 1 by 2 means this region. So what is common? So this is going to be the common. So here, x will be from 1 to 6. Okay, because this is going to be the common region. This is going to be the common region um, for this thing and this thing. So same here. Now here x is between 0 and 1. So where is 0? It's 0 is here. 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 means this one. So what's going to be the common region? This one, 0 to 1. So from here, x belongs to 0 to 1. Okay, so now either this or this, because the base is variable, so we have to take the union of these two things. Okay, so what I will do here is I will just do it here. Okay, so here, okay, here I have 0 from here, 1 to 6. This is 1, this is 6. Okay, this is 0, here 0, 0. Okay, so this one represents 1 to 6. Okay, this one, this is number 1, this is number 1, case number 1, and this is 0 to 1, case number 2. This is case number 2, 0 to 1. Now this one, look at this one, minus infinity to 2. Okay, means this one, this is 2 here, and we also have 3. This is 3. So this region minus infinity to 2 means this. Right? And 3 to infinity. 3 to union 3 to infinity. So 3 to infinity. Where is 3? This is 3. 3 to infinity means this. So what's going to be the common area? Okay, so this is 3 to infinity, and here through, okay, so 3 to infinity, this is going to be the common area here, 3 to 6. And from here, what's going to be the common area? This one, 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay, anything else? 0 to 1. 3 to infinity, yes, this one. So number 1 is 2 to, number 1 is 1 to 6, fine. And number 2 was 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Okay, this one, right? Wait, let me, 1 to 6. Okay, this one was number 1 in the black. Okay, and then we have to find the common region. Yes, common region, of course, this is going to be in the common region. Why? Because this says minus infinity to 2. So this comes in the common region and this also comes in the common region. So it's going to be 0 to 1, 1 to 2. So it's going to be x belongs to, now see here, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, right? 0 to 1. Okay, union of this, first write it down. 0 to 1, 0 to 1 union 0 to 1 union 1 to 6. Okay, and wait, and and intersection with this minus infinity to 2 and union 3 to infinity. Okay, so when we did all these things, what did we get? What did we get? So it's going to be, what's going to be your 0 to 1, this one, 0, x belongs to 0 to 1, and here union, this one, 1 to 2, right? And here union, what's the common region here? 3 to 6, right? 3 to 6. So this should be your answer, because we found 3 common region here. So we are just taking the union. This is first common region, this is second common region, and this is 3 to 6 is also the common region. So this is going to be your answer. Okay, so that's how you have to do it. Okay, so thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye-bye.